In a world where life as we know it has come to an end, survival is everything. Underground shelters, food storage, and adaptation measures have become the new reality. But what if I told you the technology we once used for entertainment is now our key to survival? Welcome to life after the apocalypse, where 360-degree virtual reality has evolved from mere entertainment to a tool of survival. Let's take a journey through the evolution of 360-degree VR. It started as a niche technology, crude, pixelated, and awkward. But with each generation, it grew more immersive, drawing us deeper into artificial worlds. Before the fall, 360-degree VR was primarily used for gaming, education, and exploration. But now, it's crucial for a different reason. In this new world, VR serves as a tool for teaching us how to survive in hostile environments. For helping us practice scenarios we never thought we'd face. From training exercises in deserted landscapes to learning how to grow food indoors, 360-degree VR allows us to adapt without stepping into danger. While the outside world may be harsh, VR keeps us prepared for anything. What started as a playful experiment has become humanity's lifeline. The evolution of VR, from concept to mainstream, and now a new form of survival. Life after the apocalypse will never be the same. *** visual notes use stock footage of VR headsets, post-apocalyptic landscapes, shelters, and survivors. Include stock footage of people engaging with VR in futuristic environments. Tone should be adventurous, blending education with intrigue.